Hey Tracy, I spoke with Kyle a little bit ago. I was doing some research in your guys' area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. He had told me that you guys are in the process of doing a website revamp and that I called at the right time, so hopefully I can intrigue you with this video and kind of point you guys in the right direction. I've done this many a times and have some really good references for you as well. But I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow online, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically anything that you see on this homepage, including the pictures, what they're saved as, and what's behind them as well. So Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage. And you got to think, Google's just a crawling website, and all it can do is read. So if you don't have a bunch of information on your front page, it really doesn't know what you're offering or who you are, and it doesn't give you any room to fit these really important keywords, which we're going to go over here shortly, throughout it. So as you can see, you guys have maybe a little bit of content there, a little bit here, maybe 200 words. I kind of like the layout, but it's lacking in a lot of aspects that Google really pinpoints on. So I did a search for Plumber, Stafford, Texas. And as you can see, Doug Turner Plumbing is showing up in first place. So here's his website, and he does have a lot of content at this point. He's got all these reviews for some reason, which this looks like a kind of just like an index site for some reason, so it wouldn't be that hard to beat. But if we were to go out and get that 1,500 words, we would beat them in the content aspect. So let's go back to this main search, Plumber, Stafford, Texas. And as you can see, this is the GMB section. Now, I tried doing a search for your guys' Regency listing, and I don't think you guys have one, which is hurting your clientele immensely. But Doug Turner's in first place for this, Doug Turner Plumbing Co. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and what ranks you in this section is called a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, YouTube, BBB, CityStar. Anywhere where you could put a directory, that's called a citation source. So I have this tool called WhiteSpark, and it's a local citation finder, and I plugged in Doug Turner's info just to see how many he had to claim that spot. He only has 18 citations to be number 1. Best part about this tool is we can go in and see all his citation sources and where he's getting his citations from, and we can go and submit for your business. Plus, I have access to hundreds of very reliable, relevant, strong, powerful citation sources. I'd like to create your GMB and add 100 to 200 of it and get you up in this top 3 here. And you're going to see a lot of clients coming in from just being here. 33% of all traffic comes from this GMB section. So you guys not having a listing, or if you do, it's not showing, that's affecting you guys greatly. But like I said, and these aren't created equal. Like I said, Bing, now as you can see, Bing's a well-known company. Yellow Pages, well-known, Chamber of Commerce. This DA shows the domain authority. That's how powerful. 100 being the strongest, 0 being the weakest or spammy. So Bing is a 93. 87, 59, those are strong. Now as we get down here, look at these. The plumberhub.com, 9. Contractor sub, 9. So be careful. You got to be careful when you're getting your citations to make sure that they're all high authoritative sites that you're getting them from, which I have access to, like I said. So let's go back. Now this bottom section is called the organic section on Google, and this deals directly with your website. And what ranks you here is a backlink. Now, backlink is when one website links to another website via hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them before on a website. There might be blue writing out of a paragraph that you click on, takes you to another website that's probably offering the same thing. Well, that's that other website giving it a backlink, so it's willing to send its traffic to the other website, and in Google's eyes, that's very powerful. So every backlink you're getting from somebody from another website to your website is considered a vote. But you need relevant sites giving you backlinks. If Pizza Hut were to give you guys a backlink, it's not going to transfer as much power as another plumbing site or a roofer or a home remodeling site, because you guys, it's all in the same kind of field. Not, you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. So anyways, let's go down. As you can see, Doug Turner Plumbing's in first place. Now I have another tool I use that I pay for monthly. It's called Arifs, and this shows me an overview of your site, your stats, how many backlinks you guys have, what keywords you're ranking for, and the type of traffic you're getting at this point. So right now I typed in Regency Plumbing. You have 197 backlinks coming from 28 websites, and you're ranking for 32 keywords, but you're only getting 26 traffic to your website total. That's because you're not in the GMB, and you're not on the first page for a lot of these keywords. So if we look at your competitor, Doug the Plumber, he has 700 backlinks, ranking for 1,000 keywords, and look at his traffic. He's getting 891 traffic by being in the first place. Almost $20,000 monthly. Now, this is a monthly figure, the estimated value of your target's monthly organic search. So that's monthly. And I want to go back and look at your keywords. Well, while we're on the backlink topic, as you can see, the best thing about this site too, just like the citations, we can go into Doug Turner's Plumbing and see where he's getting all his backlinks from, and we can go and get all these for your business. So we know it's getting him to the top. It's going to work for you too. If Google likes whatever he did, there's 14 pages of backlinks that we could go through to pick the good ones. Tells us the DR and UR for each one of them, and we go get all these strong ones. Plus I have access to some very powerful backlinks that will boost your scores within a month. You'll see a change in clients coming in. So, but I wanted to touch base on your keywords. So as you can see, Regency Plumbing, Plumbing Houston, that's people looking for you guys directly. But we want to focus on more of the general search for people who don't know you, that will type in, plumbing contractors, Houston, Texas. Plumbing contractors in Houston, 50. Now, you guys are targeting Houston, which is a bigger city, so it's going to be a lot harder. Now, this is going to show me the keywords, the volume that this keyword's being typed each month, and how hard it is to rank for it. 0 being the easiest to rank for it. Like a 27, that's a little bit harder to rank for. That means there's a bunch of websites trying to rank for it. So, but you're in 29th position, plumbing contractors in Houston, you're in 29th. That's the third page. Plumbing contractor Houston, 32nd position. You're not getting no traffic from any of these except your name. So as we go over to Doug Turner Plumbing, he's got Stafford Plumber, 70 searches. Plumber Stafford, 50 searches. Plumbers in Stafford, 80 searches a month. Plumber Stafford, 30. Stafford Plumbers, 30. Stafford Plumbing, 100. 100, 30, 40. There's 1,000 searches right here just throughout Stafford. So what I would do would be to dig around all your cities that surround you, whatever cities you want me to target. We'll grab all the keywords, and we go and get 1,500 words, and we place these keywords throughout. And then we add backlinks, powerful backlinks to those keywords, so when someone types it in, you show up first down here. For all those separate keywords, you got to realize for each keyword there might be a different person up top here. So I'd love to help you guys out with this. I know you're in the middle of doing all this, and I figured fate brought us together because I'm here and I'm ready to go. But let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing was your front page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. And I say that this is a website I'm building for my client out in Woodland Hills, Brico Plumbing. And a brand new website with a form right on here where people can contact you, submit now, click the call buttons. But this is the content. You see his keywords here: Woodland Hills Plumber, Woodland Plumbers, plumbing repair, sewer repair, hydrojetting, professional plumber Woodland Hills, customers trust. There's another keyword. So we want to fit as many of those throughout your homepage as possible to get, so when someone types it, Google recognizes it on your site, and boom. And as long as we do SEO and power it, you'll get up in that top, and you're going to start seeing huge difference in your clients and a big gain in your organic traffic, resulting in boom, big money. So second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web and directories. I'd like to add 100 to 200 of these to your listing. get you guys up in this top 3 and beat out Doug Turner. And also that gets your guys' name out there in more directories for people to find you when they're looking for a plumber. Third thing we talked about was this organic section and backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do it on your own. Totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call, 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Tracy, and I hope you have a great day. And like I said, I have some references so you can call and check that I'm legit, and I can show you numbers from where they started to where we are now within months. So like I said, look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great day.